Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed the some forms of exercise 2.3. So today I am continuing that exercise. The next form is fifth one. So what is that question? Saili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. So 4 saplings in one row. So the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Okay. So find the distance between the first and last sapling. So how to solve this one? So first draw that figure. Okay, here 4 saplings in a row. So this is row. So this is row first. So first one, this is first sapling, second, third, and fourth. Okay, and what are they given here? The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4. So that means this is 3 by 4, this is 3 by 4, and this is also 3 by 4. And what they are asking, distance between the first and last sapling. So how to find out this one? You can add it. Okay, why? Because here to here 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. But this is a multiplication of fraction. So how to write this one? Tell me. 3 of 3 by 4. No? 3 of 3 by 4. So first distance between two saplings equals to what are they given here? 3 by 4 meter. So 3 by 4 meter. Okay. Next, we have to find out the distance between first and last. First and last, what are they given here? We should find out multiplication. No, 3 of 3 by 4. 3 of 3 by 4. Why I have taken here 3? Because 3 fractions are there. No? 3 distances. One distance, second distance, third distance. That's right. 3 of 3 by 4. So how to write this one? Of means multiplication. No? So 3 into 3 by 4. So here cancellation possible? No. So that means just multiply numerator to numerator. 3 3s are 9 by 4 meter. The total distance. Otherwise, the distance between first and last sapling is 9 by 4 meter. Therefore, distance between first and last sapling equals to 9 by 4 meter. So next question, 7th one. Lipika reads a book for one integer 3 by 4 hours every day. For every day, that means for one day she reads one integer 3 by 4 hours. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So she taken 6 days to complete to read one book. How many hours is now required by her to read book? Okay, how to solve this one? How many hours? For one day, one integer 3 by 4 hours. For 6 days, just multiplication. For one day this much. For 6 days, 6 into one integer 3 by 4 hours. So you will get total hours. So first, time taken by Deepika to read a book for one day equals to one integer 3 by 4 hours. So this is 1. So she reads entire book in how many days? 6 days. No? That means for one day, one integer 3 by 4 hours. For 6 days, the time taken by Lipika to read entire book. To read entire book equals to just multiply 3 into one integer 3 by 4. So first, if it is a multiplication of whole number to mixed fractions, first convert them into improper fraction. So 3 as this. So how to convert to improper to mixed fraction to improper? Just multiply denominator to numerator. 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. That is 7 divided by 4 as this. Now here cancellation possible? No. That means just multiply 3 into 7 21 by 4 hours. So this is an improper fraction. Try to write it mixed fraction. So just divide 21 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 1 and 0. So how to write this one? So 5 is a quotient number. So that should be in whole number part. So quotient part should be in numerator part. Denominator is as 5 integer 1 by 4 hours. Okay. Next seventh one. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. So 1 liter of petrol. Next, how much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So see here first, for 1 liter of petrol, car covers the distance 16 km. For this much liter of petrol, car covers the distance just a cross multiplication. You will get the answer. So for 1 liter of petrol, 1 liter of petrol, car covers the distance equals to 16 kilometer. No, that is 16 kilometer. So for 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol, I am writing here. So just complete it. Car covers the distance equals to, how to solve this one? Just cross multiplication. That is 16 into 2 integer 3 by 4. 3 by 4 to right. 2 integer 3 by 4. So next, how to multiply? First convert them into improper. So 16 as this. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4. So now here cancellation possible. 5. 16 is in the numerator and 4 is in the denominator. So cancellation possible. 4 1s are 4 4s are. So now remaining numbers 11 into 4. 4 into 11. 1 is always there. So just neglect it. 4 11s are, that is all the ones. 11 4s are 44 kilometer. Okay, therefore for 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol, car covers the distance equals to 44 kilometer. Next eighth one, provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into box equals to 10 by 30. Second one, the simplest form of the number obtained in this box is simplest form. Okay, so how to solve this one first? 8th one. So first take it 2 by 3 into box equals to 10 by 30. Okay, so how to find out this one? So box is there, leave it as is. Just shift this 2 by 3 to RHS. So if you want to shift this 2 by 3 to RHS, you should write the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So that means box equals to 10 by 30 into reciprocal of 2 by 3. If you shifting to right side, no. So that is 3 by 2. I have said here 3 by 2 because you are shifting to right side, no. Right side or left side. If you want to shift any fraction, shift it. But you have to write the reciprocal here. Reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal means just converting the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. 2 by 3, here 3 by 2. So now don't cancel it. just multiply. 10 into 3, 30. 30 into 2, 60. 60 no? Okay. Next, second one. Now cancel it. The simplest form is we have to cancel it now. So now cancel it. 30 by 60 is there. So how to cancel? 1 0 1 0 gets cancelled. Next, 3 ones are 3 2s are. So what is the answer? 1 by 2. So therefore answer is first one here. So here box 30 by 60. So here this one is 1 by 2. So write down in box. So answer is first one 30 by 60. Second one simplest form of 30 by 60 is 1 by 2. Next here is one B one. Again same. Here 3 by 5 into box equals to 24 by 75. So how to solve that one? B first one 3 by 5 into box equals to 24 by 75. So next box. So how to write this one? Shift this to RHS 3 by 5. So you should write down the reciprocal form here. 24 by 75 into 5 by 3. So first multiply. Don't cancel it. 24 5s are 120. 75 3s are how much? 225. So this is first one. And second one, simplest form they ask now. 225. Simplest form means directly cancel it. Here 0 is there, here 5 is there. That means it is divisible by 5 now. 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 2 remains 25. 5 5s are 25. Next, 5 2s are 10. 10 means 2 remains 20. 5 4s are. Next again, here division is possible. Yes. 3. 3 ones are 1 remains 5. 15. 3 5s are. Next 3 8s are. So what we get an answer? Simplest form is 8 by 50. So here answer is first one 120 by 225 and second one answer is 8 by 50. So this completes the exercise 2.3. So the next concept is division of fraction. Before going to the division of fraction, I will explain reciprocal of a fraction. So how to find out the reciprocal of a fraction? So first take one example. So here 3 by 4 is there. So how to write out the reciprocal of this fraction? So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is just reverse it. Just shift this numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. You will get the reciprocal of a fraction. That is 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. Just reverse it. Okay, 3 by 4 is there. Reciprocal is 4 by 3. So take another one. 5 by 8. Reciprocal is just reverse it. Okay. 8 by 1. Simple. 13 by 15. So reciprocal is 15 by 30. Okay. It's very easy. So the next concept is division of fraction. So how to divide any fraction to other fraction. Okay. So first take 3 divided by 5 by 4. So here 3 is a whole number and 5 by 4 is a fraction. So how to divide a whole number? First take whole number. How to divide a whole number by fraction? So first here division sign is there. So first remove this division sign. If you want to remove this division sign, you should take the reciprocal of the second term. That is second term is 5 by 4. So how to solve this one? So in place of division sign, take the multiplication sign. Multiplication, and you should write down the reciprocal of 5 by 4. If you want to remove the division sign, and in place of division sign you have to take the multiplication sign now. So take the reciprocal of 5 by 4. That is 4 by 5 now. So now it's a multiplication. So you already know the multiplication of fractions. So just multiply numerator to numerator and and denominator to denominator. But here denominator is 1 is there, so just neglect it. So 3 4s are 12 by 5. So what is the answer of 3 divided by 5 by 4? 12 by 5. Okay. So next take another one. 6 divided by 3 by 8. So how to solve this one? Again in place of division sign is there, no? So remove this. So how to remove this? You have to take the reciprocal of second term, not first term. Second term, no? So 6 into 8 by 3. I have taken 8 by 3 here. Reciprocal of 3 by 8. Just interchanging. So I have interchanged the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. So now 3 ones are 3 2s are. So next remaining numbers 2 into 8. What will be the answer? 16. Okay. Next take another one. I have taken here whole number. Take fraction 8 by 7 divided by 4. So take it. So here first term as is. Don't change it. Okay. Just change the second one. That is you have to take the reciprocal if you want to remove the division sign. So 8 by 7 as is. In place of division sign you are taking multiplication no. So if you want to take multiplication, take the reciprocal of the second term. 4. If there is no means denominator means 1 will be there no. So what is the reciprocal of 4 by 1? That is 1 by 4 no. 1 by 4. So now here cancellation possible. Yes, because 8 is in the numerator, 4 is in the denominator. 4 ones are 4 2s are. What will get the answer? 2 by 7. Okay. Next, fourth one. Again, division of fraction by another fraction. 3 by 4 divided by 8 by 6. 8 by 6. So now, first term as this. So just take the reciprocal of the second term. If you want to take multiplication sign. 6 by 8. So now here cancellation possible? Yes. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Only cancellation possible when numbers are in the numerator and denominator. So 3 3s are 9, 2 8s are 60. So 3 3s are 9, 2 8s are 60. Okay, this is the way of division of fractions.